Hello everyone! I hope you're doing well. My name is Alena Octavia Ramadhani with my student number 2513042023. Today we're gonna learn about one of the most interesting topics in morphology, which is compound nouns. Have you ever heard words like toothbrush, classroom, or ice cream? Well, those are actually examples of compound nouns. In this video, I will explain what compound nouns are, their types, structure, and some fun examples. Let's get started. Let's begin with the definition. A compound noun is a word that is formed by combining two or more words to create a new meaning. For example, toothbrush comes from tooth and brush, but when combined, it becomes a new word with a specific meaning. Compound nouns can be written in three different forms. First, spaced or open compound noun. A spaced or open compound noun is one in which there is a space between the two words which form the compound noun. For example, cricket bat, fast food, flower shop. Next, hyphenated compound nouns. A hyphenated compound noun is one in which the two words are separated with the use of a hyphen. For example, byproduct, mother-in-law, passerby. Last, closed or solid compound nouns. A closed or solid compound noun is one in which the two words do not have any spaces or hyphens separating them. They are usually considered as a single word. For example, sunflower, classroom, rainfall. Now let's look at the structure of compound noun. They can be formed from different combinations of word classes. First, noun plus noun, such as bus stop, firefly, railway station, ship deck. Noun plus verb, sunset, footprint, role play, snowfall. Noun plus gerund, handwriting, cat walking, sightseeing, mountain climbing. Gerund plus noun, washing machine, driving license, cooking gas, fishing net. Preposition plus verb, output, understand, undercut, intake. Verb plus preposition, take up, shut down, break down, take out. Preposition plus noun, underground, background, upstairs, overnight. Adjective plus noun, blackboard, hardware, smartphone, hotspot. Adjective plus verb, dry cleaning, public speaking, everlasting, highlight. Noun plus adverb, hanger on, passerby. Verb plus adverb, look out, drop back, take off. Meaning. The meaning of compound nouns can be either literal or non-literal. Literal meaning is easy to understand, like bedroom, which means a room for sleeping. But some compound nouns have non-literal meanings. For example, butterfly doesn't mean butter plus fly. It actually refers to a kind of insect. This is what makes compound nouns interesting. Pronunciation. Stress is important in pronunciation as it distinguishes between a compound noun and an adjective with a noun. In compound nouns, the stress usually falls on the first syllable. Pluralizing compound nouns. open and hyphenated compound nouns, simply add s to the essential word part. For example, the compound noun swimming pool is made up of the verb swimming and the noun pool. To pluralize this compound noun, we would add s to the end of the noun pool to get the pluralized compound noun swimming pools. The same strategy would apply to the hyphenated sister-in-law, in which case the word sister is the essential word part. To pluralize this word, we would add s to the end of the word sister to get the pluralized compound noun sisters-in-law. Closed compound nouns. When there are no spaces or hyphens in the compound noun, the s is typically just added to the end. With the compound noun greenhouse, for example, we would add the s to the end of the noun house to get the pluralized compound noun greenhouses. The same holds true for words such as spoonful, which becomes spoonfuls, truckloads, which becomes truckloads, and sunset, which becomes sunsets when pluralized. Here are some examples of compound nouns used in sentences. Noun plus noun. I bought a new toothbrush this morning. Adjective plus noun. The teacher is writing on the blackboard. Verb plus noun. She uses a washing machine every day. Gerund plus noun. They are swimming in the swimming pool. Noun plus verb. He just got a haircut yesterday. Verb plus preposition. The plane took off after a short delay. Noun plus preposition. My mother-in-law is visiting us this weekend. Adverb plus noun. The doctor warned him about a possible overdose. Now let's check your understanding. Try to answer first before checking the answers. So that's all about compound nouns. To sum up, compound nouns are formed by combining two or more words, and they can appear in different forms, structures, and meanings. Understanding compound nouns can help us to improve our vocabulary and our comprehension in English. Thank you for watching. See you next lesson.